right, this one says Julia paid $120 for 6 gift cards. Each gift card was the same price. Which equation represents the situation? And then what is the price of each card? So our unknown here, we're going to use the letter G because they did. And G represents the price for a gift card. All right, so if we look, remember we always want to look for a total here. So it says that Julia paid $120. So we're going to set our equation equal to 120. And we know that she got 6 of the gift cards, but we don't necessarily know how much each of them were worth. So if we do 6 times the price of the gift card, it should equal $120. Now that we have our equation, we can solve it. So to solve, we would divide both sides by 6. And that would give us 6 equals $20. So that means each gift card was $20 if she paid $120 for 6 of them.